California has sued L.A. County and its sheriff's department over the conditions inside the county's jails. The attorney general's office says inmates are being held in overcrowded, inhumane conditions. Our investigative reporter Eric Leonard has been tracking a number of legal cases focused on how the jails are managed. He joins us live now with the new concerns here. Eric.
Hi, Michael. Well, the California attorney general says L.A. County has defended numerous lawsuits over conditions in the jail, yet after decades of complaints, the attorney general says unsanitary and inhumane conditions persist. This lawsuit asks for a court order that might force the county to correct more of these widespread and well-known problems.
This is about human dignity. This is about safety. This is about justice for those who are in our care.
Attorney General Rob Bonta says some have described conditions inside the jails as a humanitarian crisis. According to a new lawsuit filed by his office today, the L.A. County Sheriff's Department has failed to provide basic care and needs to thousands of inmates awaiting trial or serving time. The lawsuit says inmates have been left without access to drinking water, have been given food that's moldy, expired, or filled with maggots, are in buildings with broken plumbing and vermin infestation, that there's human waste on floors and walls, and a lack of safety checks that could prevent deaths.
We're talking about a disrespect for the basic dignity of our fellow humans and a violation of their most fundamental constitutional rights.
It's the latest in a generation of lawsuits filed over inmate conditions. Most recently, the ACLU went to court after it discovered inmates were being left chained to chairs, sometimes in their own waste, for more than a day because there wasn't space or staff to process them more quickly. A judge ordered improvements. Bonta says the number of deaths in jail should be alarming. Jail data shows at least 36 people have died in county jail so far this year, including Samuel Haskell, the Tarzana father accused of murdering and dismembering his wife and in-laws, who was found dead by suicide in July. Many others have died by suicide and drug overdoses, and Bonta says he believes L.A. County isn't doing enough to monitor inmates or stop illegal drug smuggling.
But they continue to drag their feet to the detriment of far too many. We can't wait any longer. We need comprehensive reform, and we need it now.
L.A. County said it's making progress in improving conditions in response to previous lawsuits and court orders, and it referred us to an older press release and a website that lists its efforts towards compliance. Bonta said he's frustrated the county has spent millions of dollars defending lawsuits over jail conditions rather than on improving those conditions.
I'd prefer collaboration over litigation, but the county has left us with no choice, so litigation it is.
The Sheriff's Department says many of the allegations in Bonta's lawsuit are based on outdated information. It says many of the problems are already being addressed, and it says the department has been making significant progress in addressing these jail conditions by complying with a number of other court orders related to inmate health and well-being. Should mention one senior L.A. County official very familiar with these issues told me they were glad to see this new lawsuit, saying the county has often resisted reform without outside pressure. I'm investigative reporter Eric Leonard, NBC4 News. Back to you.